Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you how to free up storage space on PS5. This is useful when you are downloading games from PS5 store instead of using the DVDs. And if you find it useful, don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. On your PS5 home screen, head over to Settings cogwheel icon and press X to open settings. Now navigate to Storage. Here you will find out detailed information about what component of the console are eating up the storage space, like games and apps, media gallery, saved data, and other. Let's select games and apps. Here you will get the list of all the games installed on your console as well as how much storage each of them is using. To reclaim the space, it's better to delete games that you are not playing. Like I want to delete Minecraft and Astro Playroom. Simply check the boxes next to the game. On the right you can see I'll be able to recover around 22 GB of space, which is good. Now select delete and press the X. Again same info will appear. Select OK and press X again to confirm the action. And wait for few seconds. Once done, go back and this time select media gallery. As you can see, my console have around 370 GB of media in it. Let's delete some to reclaim the space. Simply select the file that you want to delete and press the option button on the controller and select delete from the menu that open. You can select and delete multiple files as well. For that, press the option button and then select multiple file option from the menu. Now check the boxes for the files that you want to delete. Once selected, select delete and press X to confirm the action. After that, go back and this time select saved data. Here select the console, in my case it's PS5. You will now see a list of games with saved data. Select the boxes next to the game you are not playing anymore. In my case there are lots of games that I no longer play and I don't need saved data. So I will select all the games that I want to delete. Once selected, select delete and press X to confirm the action. And that's it. This is how you will be able to reclaim lots of storage space on the PS5. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.